In order to fight terrorism and for carrying out major operations in Jammu and Kashmir, the Indian Army received the first batch of American SIG Sauer assault rifles during December 2019. This was part of the agreement which India signed with United States to buy 72,000 SIG716 assault rifles. These powerful rifles are manufactured by SIG Sauer based in New Hampshire, United States. The entire lot of guns will be supplied within a year since the contract for the new gun is being made under the fast-track procurement. And out of 72,000 rifles, Indian Army will receive 66,000, the Indian Navy will receive 2,000 and the Indian Air Force will receive 4,000. The requirement for such powerful guns were raised by the Indian Army since they were looking for a more powerful rifle than the Indian Iron SAS rifles. The INSAS rifles uses a 5.56 into 45 mm intermediate cartridge, whereas the SIG716 uses a more powerful 7.62 into 51 mm cartridge. The induction of these new SIG716 assault rifles will help the troops to operate more effectively in engagements with the terrorists in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Not only this, in addition to the above 72,000 SIG716 rifles, Indian Army will also receive a major boost with the induction of more than 750,000 AK-203 assault rifles, which is a modern version of the AK-47. These rifles will be manufactured at the rifle factory in Amethi, which was inaugurated in March 2019. At the recent DEF Expo 2020 that took place in Lucknow, the Major General Sengar, who is the CEO of the Russian-Indian joint venture Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited, announced that all Indian armed forces would be getting the AK-203 rifles very soon. They are planning to sign an initial contract for the delivery of AK-203 before the end of this year. And these rifles will be issued to the Indian Army, the Indian Air Force, the Indian Navy and law enforcement agencies. The AK-203, which will be provided to the Indian Armed Forces, features some differences compared to the basic Russian assault rifle. The Indian AK-203 has received a folding butt stock similar to the one which is integrated with AK-74M or AK-103 firearms. In addition to the folding butt stock, the upper handguard without a Picatinny rail will also be provided. A standard plastic 30-round magazine with a no clear window, and also at the same time the assault rifle will retain its distinctive slotted muzzle brakes. A cleaning rod has been mounted under the weapon's barrel in the AK-74M and AK-103 fashion. According to the Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited, the Indian AK-203 is chambered for 7.62 into 39 mm cartridge, that is also known as the M43. The assault rifle has a firing range of 800 meters and weighs up to 3.8 kilograms. The Indian AK-203 features a firing rate of 700 rounds per minute and a muzzle velocity of 715 meters per second. The assault rifle is fitted with 415 mm barrel and is 943 long with the unfolded buttstock and 704 mm long with a folded buttstock. The technology transfer clause of the AK-203 deal will be fulfilled after the first 1 lakh rifles are manufactured, following which all components of the weapon system will be produced in India. AK-203 is one of the most updated rifles of AK family, and it's famous for its accuracy, and it's a convertible rifle as well. The other thing to note here is the AK-203 can be used in both semi-automatic and automatic mode. So this was an update on our defense sources receiving more powerful guns like SIG716 of United States and AK-203 of Russia. All these are vital for Indian Army and the defense sources to maintain peace and safety in our nation. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.